Did you just buy a brand new $2,000 PC, but you really only told your girlfriend that you spent $800 on it? But user benchmark keeps telling you that your rig sucks. Well, chances are that it's not your machine, but it's you dummy. Now let's do the one thing that most new PC builders don't do, and that's fix your RAM. You went out of your way and you spent $315 on RGB RAM, but you're only getting 2100 megahertz out of it. Let's fix that right now. Step number 1, guys. Shut it down. Close whatever you are researching. Turn that PC off. Alright, step number 2. Power it on and get ready to smash that F2 button like you've never smashed something before in your entire life. Alright guys, so now you're going to be in your BIOS menu. And what you're going to do next is click Advanced Memory Settings. You're going to click Extreme Memory Profile, and this little menu right here is going to pop up. You're going to be set to disabled by default. You're going to want to press Profile 1. Close. You're not going to want to quit without saving, so you're going to save. And now guys, just like that, when you fire your PC back up, user benchmark's not going to have a leg to stand on. Because you're not going to be riding a surfboard, you're going to be on a full-on battleship.